beautiful people, welcome back to Gifting Genie. We are the genie for all your gifting wishes. With Holi just around the corner, what better way to celebrate it than adding a splash of colors of Holi to your everyday essentials. Today, I'll show you how to make a Holi special tie and dye handkerchief. This fun DIY will give you a vibrant handkerchief which definitely adds on to the essence of Holi. And if you don't have the materials, don't worry, we've got you covered. Just fill out the Google form linked in the description and I will send you a kit with all the materials that you need. Because here at Gifting Genie, we believe that all you need is a genie and a wish, not the worries about materials. So let's dive in and get creative. These are all the materials that we are going to need. So first of all, we are going to wear the gloves because these dyes can dirty the hands. Now we are going to take the dye powder and we are going to add it in the bottle. Similarly, we are going to do for the other color. Now we are going to fill water in both of these bottles. After filling both these bottles with water, we are going to close the caps. After the caps are tightly closed, we are going to shake the bottles so that the color gets mixed properly. Now we are going to take this hanky and we are going to make it a little wet with the help of water. We are also going to squeeze out the excess water from the wet hanky. Now we are going to lay the hanky flat on our surface. Now we are going to start from the center. We are going to pull this up and we are going to roll continuously to make a circular pattern or a spiral pattern of the hanky. After our spiral pattern is done, we are going to tie it with the help of rubber band. Now we are going to take our color and drop it on one side. Similarly, we are going to do purple here and orange here as well and purple here. We are going to flip it and do it on this side and even at the back. Now we are going to add the purple dye in the remaining two parts. Just checking in. How's it going so far? If you are loving this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you make this Holi special tie and dye handkerchief, I'd love to see your vibrant creations. Just tag me on Instagram @gifting_genie and I will showcase your creation on all my social media platforms. Now, let's quickly get back to the tutorial. While this is drying up, we are going to take the fixer, add a few drops of it in the bottle and add water in the bottle as well. After pouring some fixer in the bottle, we are going to add water now. Now we are going to close this bottle and shake it up. Now we are going to add this fixer liquid on top of this handkerchief. Now we'll leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we are going to take the handkerchief and wash it in regular water. After washing with tap water, this is how our handkerchief looks like. It has come out to be a very pretty spiral pattern. And that's it! Your Holi special tie and dye handkerchief is ready. Isn't it the perfect way to bring Holi vibes to your daily life? Let me know in the comments if you'd like more festival themed DIYs or if there's something specific that you'd like me to teach. And don't forget to tag _Genie on Instagram. I'd love to see your colorful creations. Lastly, make sure to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss out the notification for any new tutorial that I bring. That's it for today. Wishing you a colorful and happy Holi. Bye bye. Happy crafting.